Hi there and welcome. Today we're going to look at using the Haas effect in Logic 10. The Haas effect is basically a way to take a mono signal and turn it into a stereo one using the psychoacoustics of your own brain. It's a pretty simple and straightforward procedure. You don't have to do it in Logic. You can do it in any DAW you want to. So we'll just start with a simple guitar part right here. Okay, and so what we're going to basically do is take our signal, which originally was a mono signal, just recorded out of the pickups of the guitar. And then we're going to duplicate that signal, but the duplicate signal is going to be at a slight delay. And then we're going to pan hard right, hard left, and that creates a nice, beautiful stereo image. So let's just get a few things straight here in Logic. First of all, in our track here, this guitar track selected, we're going to put it out instead of stereo, which is generally speaking the default. We're going to go ahead and stick it out to a mono output 1, just to our left ear there. Okay. And so we'll listen there, coming out of our left ear. And then we're going to duplicate the signal using a bus. So if we go ahead and send it a send right here, our send group here, we'll send it to a bus, just any one right now. We'll just choose, how about bus 21 right there. Okay, so it's going out to bus 21. We do have to set some gain, the output gain to the bus. I'm going to set it to unity. Okay, about 0 right there, close enough. All right, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to attenuate here. This is already attenuate to -6 because it's the signal is being duplicated. And we'll find bus 21 right there. It's coming out to this track called aux 15. You may have to hit the all button here to see all your aux tracks. And so it's coming out here. I have to solo this as well. So if I'm playing it, it's now coming out both. I'm going to pan this hard right. Or actually, instead of stereo out, I can do the same thing. Let's do that instead. We'll go to output mono and then output 2. Okay, so that's going. So far, no big deal. You have signal coming out your left and then a duplicate signal coming out your right through the bus. Okay, so let's go ahead and add an effect. We're going to use Logic's delay here, and it's your sample delay. Just use the mono version, it's fine, because we do just want it coming out of one channel. You get your sample delay dialog right there. Okay, we're going to change that to milliseconds. That's just easier for me, whatever you want to do. Okay, that's our original. Now if we widen out the stereo here, usually you use delay times under about 50 milliseconds. Okay, so let's go to about 25 there, and let's listen. So you can see right away there that nice stereo effect. All right, and the higher you go, the wider the image becomes. So let's go all the way up to 50. Okay, and then, so, you increase the size of the delay to get a wider image. Now, you can try things above 50, but then you start getting kind of a tap, like a ping pong delay effect. Which is nice, but it's not the same thing. Okay, so there you go. A real easy way to get some stereo out of a mono signal, and that's the Haas effect.